one bag of medium shrimp that I thawed out. This is all on my sheet pan. Spread this out as best as you can. Doesn't need to be perfect. Just get those shrimps flat on our sheet pans. And you can keep the tails on because we are gonna grab and eat these babies. Perfect. I have some corn on the cob and we're just gonna place these here and there. I thawed these out a bit too. You want everything either cooked or thawed. So easy just to get that shrimp that's already cooked, pop it in your fridge the night before, and then it's ready for this recipe. Okay, that looks perfect. Now I have some smoked sausage that I cut up, and these are gonna be sprinkled all within our sheet pan. Use our spatula to get it all evenly distributed. Oh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. Okay, if you guys like a shrimp boil, you're gonna love this. This is the easy way to do it. Okay. Perfect. Oh, this is already looking so decadent. All right, I'm gonna grab my Dutch yellow potatoes. These are mini ones, and I also cooked these a little bit too. And we're just gonna put them here and there. Yes, I did cook them and put them back in the bag. Don't come at me. Okay, perfect. This is looking so good, you guys. I have 2 sticks of butter here that's already melted. I'm gonna grab some Cajun seasoning. This one's my favorite. And we are gonna be super generous with our seasoning because this is gonna be all of our seasoning for this delicious shrimp boil sheet pan. Okay, I did about like maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons. Then I'm gonna grab some garlic. You can use the fresh garlic if that's your taste. And I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of minced garlic. Go ahead and give this a nice, good mix. Get everything well blended with that butter. I'm using salted butter, but unsalted works just as well. There is some salt in that Cajun seasoning. So if you want a little less sodium, you can do unsalted butter. All right, that looks perfectly mixed together. Now we drizzle this delicious butter mixture on top of our entire sheet pan, just like this. Oh my, you guys, this is gonna be so good. Okay, almost done here. Oh, look at that, all that extra seasoning. We gotta make sure we get that all on there. We want that garlic. Beautiful. All right, so this is gonna go in the oven. My oven is set to 400. Let's see if I can pick this baby up. And 400, and it's only gonna be in there for like 20 minutes. It's super quick. All right, would you take a look at this? Oh, it looks so good, you guys. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some parsley, and we're just gonna do a light sprinkle on top, just like this. Totally optional. Oh, look at that color it adds though. And then, of course, all good shrimp boils has some lemon juice sprinkled on top. Okay. I am ready to try this. And this is best served right out of the oven, so everything is fresh and hot. Let's just grab a spatula. Get a lot of that goodness. Oh my. Okay, maybe one more potato. Call me crazy. Time to give this a try. Smells so good. Okay, I want a sausage and maybe a potato. It is hot, so be careful.